over here. Hey. Hi, Timothy.
Wow. Is this Trent?
Wow.
Wow.
I'll go get the tickets then.
Looking that over.
You check to see, check to see if we can take this on the trainer.
Everybody's carrying coolers and all kinds of stuff. What are you doing to him?
Heidi?
Heidi.
Oh, it's not my house. Why are those people going out there?
They're going to ride out there.
We're going to ride in here.
You want to ride in here? That's what you said. Come back here. Come back here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So we could probably do that and then somebody sit across each other.
Yeah, that way then we would ensure that we would have my way backwards.
Have a little
Hocking Valley Scenic RR on a trip back in the time. The Hocking Valley Scenic RR is a non-profit corporation operated with volunteer members and dedicated for serving our railroad past. So welcome aboard. In the Civil War, it wasn't until 29 years later, in 1863, that the railroad was now formed as a railroad. Special town meetings were held longer after a wild public interest and raised the $800,000 needed to begin construction. Before construction was started, the railroad's name was changed to the Columbus and Hocking Valley Railroad Company. Groundbreaking took place in Columbus in July 1867, and the railroad reached Nelsonville on June 30th, 1869, and passed the following summer. The first freight train from Nelsonville to Columbus was on August.
Yeah, look at the water here, guys. Look at the water. Pretty shallow river.
Probably wasn't that way a couple of weeks ago.
Welcome to Hocking Valley Transportation. Instead of high built a vast canal network across the state. This railroad system ran from Nelsonville to the Rhine River and north to Cleveland on Lake Erie. Approaching that canal parallels our railroad at US Route 33 on the right.
not walking by.
If you look just inside the rail line on US 33, you'll see one of the really large streets. This is in fact the old canal building. This